Hey everyone, this your girl Mia, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So first off, I want to say thank you guys for clicking on this video, of course. And then I also want to say thank you guys for letting me reach my goal last year of 10,000. Now I got well over 10,000. I got like 11,000 something. So I really want to say thank y'all for that. I'm so glad I reached my goal. And yes, this is my first video of 2019. I'm kind of slacking already, but it's okay. You know, like January is that month where you like get all the little stuff out from 2018, and then like February is like when you really go into it. Like that's what I'm telling myself, because I'm like, yeah, it's like, what's today? Hold on, today is 16 that I'm recording this, so yeah, I'm like 2 weeks behind, but it's okay. Like I'm here, and yeah. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a hot oil treatment. When I tell y'all my scalp is so dry, like scalp dry, hair dry, everything dry. Like these winter months they just don't do me any justice. So I'm like, okay, let me try a hot oil treatment. I've really never tried one before, but I'm like, what can go wrong? Like the more moisture the better. Like it's gonna work out good. So yeah, so I got a lot of oils right here that I'm gonna be mixing and, you know, making my little creation, because I am doing this like DIY style. I ain't just get like one thing and like just only do that. Like I just want to mix a bunch of oils. So yeah, let me show y'all what oils I got. So one of the oils I got is this castor oil. Yeah, that's really good. I really don't know like all the specs of like all the oils. I'm not even about to lie to y'all, but I know like I read up on like all of these, and most of all of them is good for hair growth, you know, moisturizing your scalp, moisturizing your ends, you know, all of that good stuff. Like really just getting deep into your hair, helping it grow and do all of that good stuff. So yeah, that's why I picked the oils that I did pick. So yeah, this is the first one. I got a little bit of this black castor oil. It's like the coconut edition or whatever. I've been had this for a while, but it's like a little bit left. So I'm gonna mix that in there. I got me a what's this? I just bought this. Well, it's still closed. I got me a new bottle of this African best. This is like one of the first oils that I ever bought, but I ran out of it and just never bought it again. And I know I really did like this. And it's for like hair, body, and, you know, your nails, all of that. It's for your skin and all of that. So this is a good one. This is herbal oil right here. And then I got some coconut oil. Everybody know about coconut oil, so I got that. I also got some avocado oil, and then I got some extra virgin olive oil. So yeah, these are all the oils that I got, and I'm gonna be putting them in this applicator right here, so it's like, you know, easy to squeeze out and all that stuff. And yeah, so I'm pretty much just gonna like do it by eye. I'm not really gonna like measure everything out. I'm just gonna do it until this is full. I'm not gonna use the whole thing, but I am gonna like use it for like later on, like say if I want to like seal my ends or something like that, like, you know, I might as well just go to this, you know, for oil to use. So yeah, so I'm gonna mix them all up. Well, not mix them all up, pour them all in here, and then after that I'm gonna get a bowl and, you know, warm it up in the microwave, and then I'm gonna put this in the bowl to warm it up, because you're not really supposed to like warm your oils up, because they like all the nutrients and all that stuff like don't still be in it after you like put it in a microwave or something like that. You're really not supposed to do that, because it's kind of like cooking it. I don't know, I just know you're not supposed to do that. So get your little applicator bottle, get some water, boil a little water, put this in there, and then put it on your hair. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing, and I will be back when I have all my oils put into this. Alright y'all, so here is my mix. Y'all can see I filled it all the way up. The little specks in there is like the coconut oil, like it hasn't melted all the way, but that's what the hot water is going to be for. So yeah, here is my bowl right here. So yeah, I'm just going to take this bowl and then just sit it in here. I might fill it up somehow, but you see, just sit it in like that, and hopefully that works. Okay, dang. But anyways, yeah, so hopefully this works, and yeah, I will be back once everything is nice and warm and all of that, so we can really get started. Alright, so stay tuned. I will be right back. Oh yeah, and if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so I am back and this is all warmed up. As you can see, the little flakes are not in there anymore. So we're ready. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off by, having my hair in 4 sections just so it's easier to work with. And I'm going to split those sections into even smaller sections, like you can see. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair with some water just so, I feel like the oil can work in a little better with the water, even though oil and water don't mix. But I don't know, I just feel like it helps out a little bit. So yeah, now I'm going ahead and putting the oil in, and it's very warm. It's not like too hot to where, I can't handle it, but it is hot enough for, it to really get into my strands. And as you can see, it's already starting to seep in. And then I'm also going to take some and rub it in my scalp just to, make sure my scalp gets good and oiled up, because that's the main part that's dry. I mean, my hair is dry too, but the scalp is really dry. And then I'm going to go ahead and just twist it on up. So it's really easy, really simple. That's all I'm going to do. And yeah, so pretty much I'm just going to spray my hair and then, apply the oil and then, work it into all of my strands. Massage that scalp and, twist it on up. So pretty much that's all I'm going to be doing here. I'm not going to talk too much. Yeah, you just want to make sure you really working that oil into your hair as much as you can, because you really want to reap all the benefits from it. And another thing I forgot to mention is make sure you guys have a towel around your neck and a towel on your lap, because this can get really messy real quick. So yeah, just make sure y'all are very prepared. Okay, so here's all of my twists done. And as far as the oil, I really only used half of it. I really didn't even use that much, so I have some for later. And yeah, I'm just going to really massage my scalp even more. And then after I do that, I'm going to put my hair up into a ponytail. And then I'm just going to take a plastic cap and sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes. And then I'm going to come back with my hair all rinsed out. So here's my hair all rinsed out, and I rinsed pretty much all the oil out except like maybe a little bit because it was a lot of oil. But yeah, so here's the finished look of how my hair is. My hair looks very moisturized and defined without any products in it. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if y'all did, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, leave me some comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.